Canon EOS R3 mirrorless camera. Deep dive. Hybrid power for stills and 6K video. You line up the perfect sports shot. The striker lifts his foot, the crowd explodes, and your camera freezes for a split second. That tiny blackout costs you the frame. Or maybe it hunts for focus while the bird takes flight, leaving you with a soft image and a sharp background. The pressure builds quietly. Missed peak moments, wasted bursts, hours sorting unusable shots. By Sunday night, you feel that dull frustration, knowing your gear just did not keep up. Low light makes it worse. Grain creeps in. Motion blur sneaks across the frame. You start second-guessing every setting instead of trusting your instincts. If that sounds familiar, you already know the real problem is not your timing. Over time, those missed frames do more than frustrate you. They slow your workflow and chip away at confidence. Instead of anticipating action, you compensate, overshooting long bursts, filling cards, draining batteries, and spending hours culling. Rolling shutter distortion bends fast-moving subjects. Viewfinder lag makes tracking feel disconnected, almost slippery. In low light, you push ISO higher and hope detail survives. For professionals, this is not just annoyance. It affects deadlines and deliverables. For enthusiasts, it quietly steals the joy from the craft. You begin adjusting your style around your camera's limits, rather than shooting the way you actually see the moment. And here's the thing. Once you start adapting to technical compromises, creativity shrinks. You deserve tools that respond as fast as your eye. Then everything changed with the Canon EOS R3 mirrorless camera. Built around a 24.1 megapixel stacked full-frame sensor and Digic X processor, it delivers up to 30 frames per second with a blackout-free electronic shutter and full AF tracking. Do not just pick any mirrorless camera. Make sure it has a stacked sensor with blackout-free 30 frames per second shooting so you never suffer missed peak action moments again. Add Eye Control AF and you can select a focus point simply by looking at it through the 5.76 million dot EVF. It feels immediate and intuitive. Let me explain. This is not about speed alone. It is about restoring confidence when action unfolds without warning. In real-world use, the advantages stack up quickly. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system uses 1,053 AF points with deep learning detection for people, animals, and even motorsport vehicles. A professional sports photographer described the 30 frames per second electronic shutter as a game changer for capturing peak motion without viewfinder blackout. Wildlife users praise how sticky the eye tracking feels, even through branches. The 6K 60p RAW and oversampled 4K 120p recording give hybrid creators serious flexibility with Canon Log 3 for grading control. And the 5-axis in-body stabilization offers up to 8 stops of correction, which means sharper handheld telephoto shots in fading light. Worried about durability? The magnesium alloy body with integrated vertical grip is weather-sealed to EOS 1D standards, yet weighs about 822 grams body only, lighter than many DSLRs it replaces. Imagine covering a full match or long wildlife session with gear that keeps pace instead of holding you back. That is the shift. The Canon EOS R3 mirrorless camera brings speed, precision, and hybrid video power into one professional body. With 30 frames per second blackout-free shooting, advanced subject detection, 6K RAW recording, and a rugged weather-sealed build, it is trusted by working sports and wildlife photographers worldwide. If your goal is fewer missed moments and more usable frames straight out of camera, this is a logical upgrade to explore. You can check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment to see full specs and current availability. Take a closer look and see if it fits the way you shoot.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.